Hello everyone. In this video we will be making a DIY hair growth oil which is suitable for all type of hair and I'm sure it will give you a good result. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So this is a try and tested hair oil with pocket friendly ingredient in it. All you need is a hair oil. I am using Bajaj Almond Drop. It suits my hair very well. You can use any hair oil whichever you use. And the another ingredient is a aloe vera gel. I am using Boroplus aloe vera gel with vitamin E in it. If you do not find this, you can use other aloe vera gel and add one capsule of vitamin E in it as it is very good to hair. Otherwise, you can also skip adding capsule and only use aloe vera gel. Now take a good amount of hair oil according to your hair length. Now take the aloe vera gel and add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel in it. Mix it really well and it's all set. Apply over your scalp and apply more to the mid ends to ends of your hair as it need more nutrition. You can apply the hair oil for 1 to 2 hours or you can also apply it overnight and wash it in the morning. So that's it for the day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video and if you do, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel.